Cameo Gavotte, 76. 76 refers to the year it was invented. So we start this dance in the third position, front, open hold. Now we're going to start with a pas de gavotte, the lock, step and point. Now a pas de gavotte is glide forward, close to a third position rear, forward to a low aerial. Now the lock, step and a point, it's step, lock, step and a point, foot in contact with the floor. Now we're going to repeat that. Pas de gavotte, step, close, step and a low aerial, lock, step and point. Now we're going to do an outward turn to face against line of dance. It's 1, 2, 3 and pause on the fourth. Step and point and a turning four step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the lady's going to turn to back diagonal to wall as the man does 3 steps, and it's 1, 2, 3, joining hands, and that's the end of the first half of the dance. Right, the second half of the dance, we've got right hands joined and we're going to do a zigzag into a lilt, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, lilt, and a repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4, lilt, and step back into double hold, parallel foot positions. We're going to do a step and point, and the man's going to cross places behind the lady, 1, 2, 3, close, back into double hold, and repeat, step and point, and cross back, 1, 2, 3, opening out, ready to start the dance from the beginning. We show the whole 16 bars together. A pas de gavotte, lock, step and point. It's step, close, step, point, lock, step, point, pas de gavotte with a low aerial, lock, step and point. Outward turn. Step and point and a turning four step. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 steps as the lady turns, joining right hands. Now we're going to go forward with a zigzag, alternating hands. 1, 2, 3, 4 with a lilt and a repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, a lilt, and step back into double hold and parallel foot positions. Step and a point, man crosses behind lady with an allemande. 1, 2, 3, close, and a repeat. Step and point, 1, 2, 3, close, and that's the end of the dance. Right, we show you that whole dance to music now.